Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Trixie from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your February love and work forecast for Sagittarius. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Sagittarius, this reading is for you. If you know a Sagittarius, you can cross watch this reading for them. Also, friends, make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wins Tarot because you get a chance to win a free reading. One of our lucky subscribers will win at the end of every month. Subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. Friends, these are general readings. They may resonate or they may not. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. So let us see for Sagittarius. What's the theme of the month for Sagittarius? Theme number 1 for February. Let's see. Wow, your own energy, Sagittarius, Queen of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, you are very powerful in February, friends. Very, very powerful. Also, you are very ambitious this month, friends. Very, very ambitious. I also feel that. You could be dealing with a fire sign this month or a very powerful and passionate relationship this month, and everything in February you feel very passionate about everything, very ambitious. So ambitious, Sagittarius, so this is your month of power and passion. And look at that, 5 of Cups. Yeah, you are feeling a little disappointed with something, maybe a love relationship or maybe your work and career. Someone is also missing you, Sagittarius. Some disappointments are there, but I feel you are going to recover from them, Sagittarius, because you are in a very powerful energy in the whole month of February. Let's see what else. Oh my god, the sun, look at that. Wow, wow, wow. Sagittarius, I was late. I got late in posting this reading. I recorded it twice, but look at that. Here it is, the sun. The Mercury retrograde was hitting us, so but look at that, it's not hitting you, Sagittarius, for sure. This is a very powerful month for you. You are coming out of disappointment, heartbreak, healing. You are moving towards success, towards positivity, and taking charge of your life. I also feel if you are married, there is a chance of a childbirth, or if you already have children, you will find more success, for them. Like they are graduating or they are getting some award, some recognition. So, yoo-hoo. So let's see what will happen in your love life. I haven't asked any questions, so I'm not taking these cards. I want to ask some questions first. Okay, so what happened in the past in Sagittarius love life? Let's see that. 2 of Swords. Oh, yeah, you felt confused about a relationship. You felt very restricted. Maybe this is a long distance, no contact situation in the past. You and your person both were feeling very confused what to do. You felt stuck. You felt indecisive. Your person also was feeling that way, Sagittarius. Also, I feel like maybe this is a no contact situation, or you both are in long distance. So, you felt like your hands were tied, you can't do much. You felt restricted in some situation in your past, in your love life. But I do feel that your person wants a new start. You both want a new start, and you're looking forward to that new start. You both have it in your heart for a new start. You don't want these restrictions, these distance between you and them. What's happening currently for Sagittarius? Yeah, see, someone wants to offer you their love, someone wants to propose you, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. Yes, someone wants to offer you love, a friendship, and they think you are their divine masculine or feminine. You both are twin flames or married to this person, or you are in a very important relationship. This person wants to work things out with you. They are waiting for you, but I think they will offer you love, or your person will try to message you, Sagittarius. But you will take a wait and watch approach, even though you are very excited with their messages and declarations of love. If you are single, a new person younger than you is going to show their love, affection for you. But I feel, Sagittarius, you will take a patient approach, because you feel so much passion for this person, so much of ambition, passion, power, attraction. But you want to wait and see what they want to offer to you, because you had been disappointed and caged in the past. So taming a lion is never easy. And Sagittarius, you are like these horses. So, in fact, taming a horse is even very difficult. So, you are taking your time, seeing how they want to, what they want to do, what they want to not do. Future for Sagittarius in their love life. Yeah, see, again, this person is not letting you go. They are stuck on you, Sagittarius. They'll keep offering you love. They will keep offering you romance and, apology if that's what you are waiting for. They will keep offering you. They are set on you. They don't want to leave you. They now see your value. They want to have you for life, get married to you, propose something very important to you. I also feel if you are single, you may meet a new person through your work or career or studies. Another thing, Sagittarius, is your person wants to get married to you. They might commit, they might propose to move in with you. I also feel that maybe their work was a problem, so they might get a job in your city, or they want to meet you and talk face to face. So, all these things are happening. So, your person isn't leaving you, they want to stay with you, which is good news, Sagittarius. So, let's see who is coming towards you. Who is coming towards Sagittarius moon, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, someone who is very connected to you emotionally. You feel very, very connected to this person. You both are intuitively, telepathically connected. Could be your twin flame, your soulmate. Six of Pentacles, someone from the past, someone who hurted you, someone who was not receptive to your love and offers. I do feel it could be a new connection for some of you, but 50-50. For some of you, a new person, for others, it is a renewal in a past connection. So they are coming and with a lot of love and maturity. Emperor, yeah, they want to take charge. They want to take charge because they see you are the one for them. They are spying on your social media. Sagittarius and Aries, Leo, Sag person could also be coming your way. So, what will be the blocks in this month for you? Let's see that. Ooh, slowness. You have to take things slow. And that's not what is your idea of love, Sagittarius. You don't want to take things slow. There may also be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person from family or from your person's side, an ex-lover or something. Money issues or career are also getting in between. That's a block. But the main thing is you need to keep your patience. You need to keep your patience this month. You're very excited and you're very ambitious, so you might be like quick, but that will act as a block. Also, keep manifesting. Maybe you're trying to manifest someone different and your past person is coming back. So Sagittarius, you may be like, why this person? I want somebody else. Why is this person coming? So keep yourself a little flexible. Things may go differently as you plan, but in a exciting way, Sagittarius. So keep it open. What blessings are coming for you, Sagittarius? Let's see that. Hanged Man, yeah, let go of control, friends. Don't control this month a lot. Don't try to control every situation this month, Sagittarius. I know you love control, but don't do that. You are passionate, you are ambitious. Let go of control and enjoy life, because there are many blessings in this month for you. See, choices are coming. You have more than one option in your life. You have more choices, more paths. You may think like this relationship will go like this, but it may go like this, and it might be an exciting roller coaster of love, romance, passions. So keep your mind open. Don't be stuck, because this is your month. Everybody wants you, Sagittarius. So keep your mind open. Anything can happen, Sagittarius. Let's see some advice for Sagittarius. Then we're gonna see your work and career. Power, look at that. A very powerful connection is coming your way. Also, your person and you are, some ego issues may happen, but look aside, look aside. Keep them aside. Keep the ego aside. Keep the heart in front. Sacral chakra, yeah, it is a very creative and passionate month for you. It is actually the month of passion and romance for you, Sagittarius. We are celebrating love, but Sagittarius are celebrating the month of passion. This is the sacral chakra. If you are really single, you may find someone very creative. Very, very creative, very powerful, an entrepreneur, a celebrity, someone very creative, an artist, a media person, someone someone who works in the public eye, or you both are in the same fields. So get ready. Wisdom, someone very non-traditional, but someone very intelligent. Also, you have to apply some patience and tact in your relationship, Sagittarius. You have to keep some patience, and you have to be intelligent when to apply passion, when to apply patience, and it's a neat balance, but I think you can do it. Don't mix your drinks, don't mix your feelings. That's how I feel this month is. Let's see how your work will be, Sagittarius. That was interesting. Who's solar plexus? Wow, you are super ambitious about your work, Sagittarius. I do see fame coming your way. People are recognizing you. People are talking about you. Everyone is talking about your talent, your art, your creativity. Some compliments are coming your way. You are very connected to your work. You're very ambitious, very ambitious. Shadows, look at that. I also feel you might be overworking, overindulging in your work. You will work non-stop. It might be at the cost of your health or your relationships. So be a little careful and stay balanced. I also feel that you may be a little scared that, or you may doubt your potential this month. Sagittarius, that would like you get a new project, but you are like, am I up to the mark? Will I be able to do it? Will I be able to pull off this show? I haven't done it. I haven't been at work. Will I? Some of you might be going back to work in offices, so you are like, can I do it now? Because it's been long. We all have forgotten how to go back to offices, but yeah, you will be able to. Some doubts are there, some fears are there, but don't doubt yourself. Choose wisely. Some choices are coming your way in your work and career. And I would suggest you to choose with your intuition, because these are long term choices. They're going to affect you at large in your work, in your career. Especially even if you are a student, don't choose your fears. Don't choose something just because you feel you are scared of the other path. Don't do that. Choose wisely. Conflict and defeat. Yeah, you're a little scared. You don't want to lose. Sagittarius don't like losing. And I do feel, friends, you will not lose if you focus on your strength, if you focus on what makes you happy, what makes you excited. If you, sorry, friends, if you focus on that, you will not feel very, you will feel motivated instead of scared. So let's see what else, Sagittarius, what else will happen for our beautiful Sagittarius. Let's see. Nest and emotionally secure, loving family is important for you. Yeah, some of you are dealing with, some of you are trying to get married, or there is an arranged marriage proposal. For some of you, there is family expansion happening this month. Ladder, you are climbing towards success. Yes, you are very successful this month. You should not doubt yourself, friends. Be bold and take the first lead. Disappointment in some affair. Yeah, there will be some sort of disappointments or delays this month. Mice, discord among friends or family. Yeah, there are some issues at work or in family or friends that you feel unhappy about. Affairs with your family is very important to Sagittarius this month, because we have 1, 2 and 3 family cards. Vulture, depression, anxiety. I do feel you are a workaholic. You are super ambitious, Sagittarius. So keep your health in balance and keep your health optimum. Don't forget your health. Hard work ahead. Yeah, this is a busy month work wise. Someone is trying to come between you. I do feel you are dealing with a twin flame connection or a marriage, or with someone very important, but people are coming, or marriage is an issue and third parties are happening, like family, career is affecting. But I do feel you will be able to recover from it. Keep your mind open. An arrogant, boastful person you should not cross. Yeah, someone is behaving arrogantly. Money path, a path with money is opening for you. A lot of money is coming your way, friends. So get ready. You will be taken care of in a difficult situation. And February, oh my God, February is important for you, Sagittarius. Woof. And we are doing the February reading. So a very happy month of passions and power for you, Sagittarius. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday. This is Mystic C saying bye.